Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namaha. Then Sutta Goswami reveals to the 88,000 rishis about how King Parikshit asks questions to Sri Shukadeva Goswami, saying that, O best among the learned, whatever Lord Brahma explained to Narada and told him to preach by magnifying what he had said, please tell me in what form Narada Muni explained this auspicious knowledge to everyone on earth. The natural nature of a devotee like Narada is to benefit everyone spiritually, to show God. O Sukho Maharshi, O says Sukadeva Goswami, please be merciful unto me. By your mercy only I am able to give up all material thoughts and think of Lord Kṛṣṇa and be absorbed in the thoughts of Lord Kṛṣṇa. Then Sukadeva Goswami ji says, Surnvatah sraddhaya nityam grunatascha swacheshtitam kalena didirghena bhagavan visate hridi. O king, anyone who listens with faith about Lord Krishna's glories, swacheshtitam, by his will, in due course of time, Lord Sri Krishna comes to reside in his heart, in that devotee's heart, and don't go. Pravishta karna randhena swano bhava saroruham dhunoti sakalam Kṛṣṇa salilasi yatha sarat. The narrations of the Supreme Lord heard through the ear holes, they go inside and purify the heart, sure. Just as autumn season clears the muddy water of water reservoir or rivers, like that. Until one's heart becomes clean, until one's mind becomes free from material thoughts, one cannot see the Supreme Lord. One's dirt, sins must be removed by listening faithfully to Śrīmad Bhāgavatam. Dhautatma purusha Kṛṣṇa padamekam na munchati mukta sarva parityakta pantha swasaranam yatha. When one hears the glories of Kṛṣṇa, he becomes Dhautatma. There was Anand Maharaj living with us, Prabhupada's god brother, born brahmachari, sannyasi, nice devotee. Always he called me Dhautatma. Those days I did not understand what he meant. Word meaning I knew. What it represents I knew. But why he's calling me, he never called me by his name, by my name. He called me only Dhautatma. Here the word Dhautatma is there. I remembered that incident because of the word. So, Dhautatma Purusha Kṛṣṇa. Lord Krishna's glories, Lord Krishna's bhajana, Lord Krishna's chanting, Lord Krishna's singing purifies the heart. When heart becomes purified, is called Dhautatma, he or she. Padamekam, 1 inch will not go away from Krishna, or 1 iota will not move away from Krishna. Not possible. He becomes free from material entanglement. Don't want to collect more than what is required. And becomes very happy, just as a person who comes from traveling, walking a lot, and comes to home, becomes happy. Like that. So Lord Krishna's lotus feet are soothing, satisfying, makes one happy. And when one is purified at the heart, not leave Lord Krishna's lotus feet even 1 moment. Not that become disciple of a guru and after 10 years, 20 years of service and go away, 10 years, 2 years, go away and engage in Maya service. This is not allowed in the spiritual path. Lord Brahma was born on the lotus, which arose from his navel, and by his will, by Lord's will, Brahma understood the glories of the Lord. That material body consisting of 5 elements makes the covering for the soul. It's called material body. Even though soul remains in the material body, inside the material elements does not become mixed with material elements. It is true. It does not become. When dead body dies, soul departs. Soul has nothing to do with the body anymore. So it is not mingled. By whose mercy Lord Brahma creates this universe? How all-pervading Lord, with his energies, pervade in this entire creation. How does the Supreme Lord gives knowledge to Lord Brahma, who gave knowledge to Narada, as you had explained? Can you please tell me all that? Can you tell me about Kalpa, Mahakalpa, Manvantara, movement of time, present, past, and future? How time takes away everybody's duration? Please tell me. How goodness, passion, ignorance govern all living entities, and they move around in all different species. They take birth one after another as per their karma. Can you please tell me what is the circumference of this universe? Can you please tell me? Please tell me how living entity develops habits. What are those habits? What are the cause of having habits? Even though 2 children are born from same parents, they have 2 different habits. Please tell me law of karma. I want to know the different elements existing in this world. How many elements exist, he asked. What are the religious scriptures, the Vedas, Upanishads, and Puranas, Upapuranas? Please tell me how many are there in the number. How living entities came to exist on the first place on earth. and how they are maintained, and after annihilation, where do they go? Where do they take rest? After taking rest, how they appear again? What is heretics? What is showboat? Where this it come from? How it originated? Please tell. What is show? Adambar. What is the tie of the soul? What does tie the soul to repetition of birth and death? What liberates the soul from this cycle of birth and death? The Supreme Lord is supremely free. Paramaswatantra. How does he live in this world? How does he live within the heart, with the soul? Please tell me all this. Sukadeva Goswami heard all these questions, and as a king, he understood by looking at the face of Sukadeva Goswami, that possibly Sukadeva Goswami is thinking that he will not be able to answer all these questions because there is only 7 days for me to live. That's what king thought. Then king says, Name asamaparayanti Brahman anasakadami pibato achyuta piyusham anyatra kupitad dvijad. Except the curse of a Brahmin, nothing can kill me. O sage, I know this and I want to let you know this. Because the Brahmin became angry on me and he cursed me to die in 7 days, my life is 7 days, nobody can kill me, nothing can kill me. I am not feeling any thirsty or hungry. Don't worry about my hunger and thirst. I will not go to bathroom. Please tell me everything one by one. I want to hear about, because my questions include the narrations of the Supreme Lord. That will give me liberation. Hearing this, Sukadeva Goswami became very happy. So Sukadeva Goswami says, O sages, Sukadeva Goswami happily began to narrate to King Parikshit. Now we will speak this next. Thank you very much.